Hi, my name is Lucas. I'm a developer here at Ethiopian, and today we'll be showing you a quick video on how to set up the QMD backend for OpenClaw. If you want a deeper dive on that, you can go to autoclaw.sh, where we did a deeper explanation on how AutoClaw uses memory by default and why would you want to use the QMD backend. The first step would be to basically install the backend, so we can do just npm install /g QMD, and this is basically going to install the binary that's going to actually run the backend. After we do that, we just go to our OpenClaw config, and we can just go ahead and add a memory field, and we should just go to and do backend QMD, and for now this should be enough to just run OpenClaw memory status. And as we can see, the new provider is QMD. One of the things that we can do with that backend is that by default OpenClaw will only index a couple of files, but here we can actually specify what sort of files we want. So we can do QMD and then do something like paths. This should be an array of path, home, Fedora. I have this little notes dummy directory, and then something like pattern, and then I believe we should give it a name, so something like notes. And with that, we should everything should be fine. I believe everything is still fine, and then we can do a couple of other queries. So we can do something like OpenClaw memory search and do test query. This is going to search over all of my previous conversations with OpenClaw, and here you can see me fighting with it over the GOG CLI. And we can do something like OpenClaw memory index force to force it to reindex all of our conversations. And as you can see, the QMD index was updated. This was like a quick version of how you would set up OpenClaw QMD backend for memory. As you can see, it's relatively simple, and I hope you enjoy it.